Hello friends, today we are going to visit a project named Regents Park, which is located at Khargar Shilfata Road, Rohinjan Village, Panvel. This is the Khargar Panvel side, and here you can see the main highway. So this is the main entrance of the project from Shilfata Panvel Highway. A very wide entrance. And here you can see the project of two towers. This is the entrance, that is the main road. And here there will be the building plot for A wing and B wing. And this is the office. So the building will come over here. So this is the project model. And here you are seeing Shilfata Panvel Highway. So now we are going to show you 1 BHK sample flat. So this is the entrance. And here you can see the living and dining space with an attached balcony. A beautiful small balcony. And this is the kitchen. And here you will get the common washroom. And this is the bedroom. And in the bedroom you will get an attached washroom. So this is the 1 BHK flat of this project. This is the shower area, dressing. And now we are going to show you 2 BHK sample flat of this project. So this is the entrance. Very well designed interior. And here you can see the living room and the dining space. And here is the kitchen. This is a small lobby. And this is the first bedroom, which is nicely designed, the beautiful interior. This is the common washroom. And this is the second bedroom with a dedicated wardrobe space. And here you will also get an attached washroom. So this is the 2 BHK flat of this project. So now we are going to show you night view of this project site. That's the main road. So that's all for the video. Thanks for watching.